Congratulations, you made it. And welcome to the Ego Tango website. This is where your communication skills in all your relationships is going to skyrocket. Let me break it down for you. In your professional life, with your boss, your colleagues, even your arch rival. In your personal life, with your husband, wife, teenager, neighbors, in-laws, pets, even with your exes. Here's what you need to do next. You can choose. If you're more of a visual learner, get the ebook. If you're more of an audio learner, get the audiobook. And if you're more of a tactile learner, you're going to want to pick up a copy of the working manual. All these links are below. No more excuses. You're going to want to start today. If you want to know more, head over to my website. You'll see the link at the top of this page. This is where your communication challenges transform. My friends, it is time to put your partner pants on. I'm Amy. It's great to meet you. Let's do this.